Under Muslim law, a husband is obligated to maintain his wife during marriage and also provides for her during the iddat period following divorce. The iddat period is a waiting period, usually 3 menstrual cycles, a woman must observe before she can remarry after a divorce or death of her husband. After the iddat period, a divorced Muslim woman is entitled to reasonable maintenance from her former husband. Maintenance during marriage. 1. A husband is legally bound to provide his wife with a fair and reasonable maintenance. 2. This obligation exists even if the wife has her own income or property. 3. The maintenance needs to be appropriate for the wife's needs and the husband's financial situation. And 4. The wife's right to maintenance is an independent right, not dependent on any agreement. Maintenance during iddat period. 1. A divorced Muslim woman is entitled to a reasonable and fair amount of maintenance from her former husband for the iddat period. 2. This maintenance covers her needs during this period, ensuring her basic needs are met. And 3. The amount of maintenance is determined based on the husband's financial status and the wife's reasonable needs. Example. Imagine Rehana is Rahim's wife. They have been married for 10 years. Rahim divorces Rehana, and Rehana enters the iddat period. Rahim is obligated to provide Rehana with reasonable maintenance during this period. After the iddat period, if Rehana is unable to maintain herself and has no other means of support, she may be entitled to further maintenance from her relatives who would inherit her property upon her death. Additional points. 1. The Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Divorce Act, 1986, outlines the provisions related to maintenance during the iddat period. 2. This act also provides for maintenance of children, if the mother maintains them, within the period of 2 years from their birth. 3. The Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Marriage Act 2019 further clarifies the rights of divorced Muslim women regarding maintenance. And 4. Section 125 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, CRPC, also provides for maintenance of wives and children, and a divorced Muslim woman can seek maintenance under this section as well. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, share, and comment.